CNS guidelines. Y equals to A plus T is just guideline formula. Ey equals to n of sigma A plus T sigma x equals to sigma x T sigma xy equals to A sigma x plus B sigma x square. The n equals to 6 is the number of elements. To find out the xy x into y xy and x square. Elements of x equals to 1 2 3 4 6 8. Y equals to 2.4 3 3.6 4 5 6 and x into y equals to 1 into 2.4 equals to 2.6 2 into 3 equals to 6 3 into 3.6 equals to 10 not 8 4 into 4 equals to 16 6 into 5 equals to 30 8 into 6 equals to 48 and the x square equals to x 1 into 1 equals to 4 2 into 2 equals to 4 and 8 into 3 equals to 4 equals to 16.
But
substitute the formula for this one equation 1 and sigma A equals to you find the value A or B value find out and A equals 6 equals to sigma x equals to
number of questions.
sigma x equals to 24 and x here sigma xy equals to 24a and sigma x square equals to 130 is not to find out the a value and substitute the value of right hand formula then thank you.